Hey Sean, how come you're not working at this hour?
Oh, I read the 4-Hour Week by Tim Ferriss and I found a way to automate my business so I don't have to work long hours anymore. Hi, Sean here from Next Level Academy. If you're tired working long hours in an unfulfilling job, a 4-hour work week might be exactly what you need to break free from the 9-to-5 grind. Inside New York Times' #1 best-selling book, The 4-Hour Work Week, author Tim Ferriss challenges the idea that hard work is the only path to success. Instead, he advocates for working smarter, not harder, and creating passive income streams that allows for more freedom and flexibility. Tim advocates building an online business, automating workflow, and outsourcing tasks to VAs or remote workers. And he shared his own experiences and strategies for eliminating time-wasting activities and focusing on what is important. One of the most intriguing ideas in the book is the concept of lifestyle design, which encourages readers to challenge conventional wisdom and rethink their approach to work and life. So you may be asking right now, why are you telling me all this? If you are looking for a way to escape the long hours at work and create a life of freedom and productivity, you may want to listen carefully to what I have to say. For the past few years, we have been advocating and training people to become profitable creators with our proven 8-figure strategies. A successful creator can choose to work from anywhere in the world at their own timing. And they get to decide their own income with the amount of effort they choose to put in. If getting stuck in a 9-to-5 job with limited income is something that you do not want to do for the rest of your life, why not spend 2 hours with us at the Next Level Creators Masterclass to discover the beauty and perks of becoming a profitable creator. Let us show you the steps to get started so that you can break free from your boss soon. See you in the next video.